Carly Roth. I'm an intern at the Wise County Extension Office, and today I'm going to show you how to texture your own soil using a guide to texture by feel. This is the standard soil texture by feel guide. It looks like a lot at first, but I'm going to walk you through step by step how to use it. Start at the top of the guide. First, you'll want to place approximately 25 grams of soil in your palm. I usually just do enough to fill up the palm of my hand. Then you'll want to add water and knead the soil until you break down all the aggregates. And once the soil kind of feels kind of moldable and like putty, that's when it's the proper consistency. The next question the guide will ask you is, does your soil remain in a ball when squeezed? If you answer no, you'll move over to, is the soil too dry? And you'll either answer yes or no to that, and then depending on that, you'll either move over to, is the soil too wet, and so on and so forth. Just follow the arrows on the guide. Mine did remain in a ball when squeezed, so I'm going to move on down to yes. The next step on the guide is to place the ball of soil between your thumb and forefinger and gently push the soil with your thumb and squeeze it upward into a ribbon. The ribbon should be of uniform thickness and width, and just kind of allow the ribbon to fall over your forefinger until it breaks from its own weight. The next question the guide will ask is, does the soil form a ribbon? If you answered no, then you have a loamy sand, but mine did form a ribbon, so I'm going to move on down to yes. If you answered yes, next you'll have to determine how long your ribbon was. You'll have three options, which are 2.5 centimeters or less, 2.5 to 5 centimeters, or 5 centimeters or longer. Mine was about 2.5 to 5 centimeters long, so I'm going to move over to the middle box. Since my ribbon was 2.5 to 5 centimeters long, my texture options will be the ones in the middle column. So it will either be a sandy clay loam, a silty clay loam, or a clay loam. But before we can determine that, I have to excessively wet a small pinch of soil in my palm and rub it with my forefinger to feel for grittiness and smoothness. My soil felt very gritty, so I decided it was a sandy clay loam, but if it hadn't been very gritty, I would have moved down to the next box, and if that one didn't seem right either, I would have moved to the bottom one.